So in this video, we're going to go through some more examples of simultaneous equations where one of the equations is x equals ay plus b, or b plus ay if you like. And the other equation is of the form of ax plus by equals c. Okay? So with each of these, only one kind of first step really makes sense, and that is to substitute the first equation into the second one. So we have x equals y take away 3 and 2x plus y equals 9 for the first one. So we're going to substitute this one into this one because we have x equals, and we can replace out that x there with y minus 3. So we're going to get two lots of y minus 3, make sure it's in a bracket, plus y is equal to 9. Expand the bracket out, 2y minus 6 plus y equals 9. So we've got 3y take away 6 is 9. Add the 6 to both sides, and then divide through by 3, so y is equal to 5. So then if you want to work out what x is, substitute the one that says x equals. X is equal to 5 take away 3, which is equal to 2. So the x coordinate is 2, the y coordinate is 5. That's the coordinates of where those two lines intersect. Okay. So the second one, we have x equals 2y plus 3 and 8x take away y is equal to 1. So we're going to substitute this one into this one, because this is the one that is x equals, that's explicitly written. So the equation becomes 8 lots of 2y plus 3 in a bracket, take away y is equal to 1. Expand the bracket out, so 16y plus 8 lots of 3 is 24, take away y is equal to 1. So if I get the 16y take away y, so that's 15y. Let's leave it there for the moment. Let's subtract 24 from both sides now, so minus 23, and then divide through by 15, so y is equal to minus 23 over 15. Okay, so then we want to substitute that into the x equals. So x is equal to 2 lots of minus 23 over 15 plus 3. Okay, so 2 lots of minus 23 over 15 is minus 46 over 15. 3 is 45 over 15. So minus 46 over 15 plus 45 over 15 is minus 1 over 15. So the x value is minus 1 over 15. Y is minus 23 over 15. And they're the coordinates of where those two lines intersect. Okay. So number 3, we have x is equal to 4 take away y, and 1/3 x plus 2y is equal to 2. So we'll substitute this one into there. So we're going to get 1/3 of x, which is 4 take away y, plus 2y is equal to 2. Now, choice here is to expand the brackets first, which we've been doing in the other examples, and then multiply through by 3 to get rid of the fraction. Or we can multiply through by 3 now, and then we don't have to worry about expanding the brackets. So that feels easier. So we'll multiply through by 3, and we'll get 4 take away y plus 6y is equal to 6. So 4 plus 5y is equal to 6. Take 4 from both sides, and then divide through by 5, so y is equal to 2/5. So then, if I substitute into the first equation, x is equal to 4 take away 2/5. Now 4 is 20/5. So 20/5 take away 2/5 is 18/5. So 18/5, 2/5 solves those equations. Okay. So that's the third one. So the fourth one, we have x is equal to 2 take away 4/3 y, and 1/2 x take away 4y is equal to 2. So we'll substitute this one into this equation. So we have 1/2 of 2 take away 4/3 y, take away 4y is equal to 2. Now once again, okay, we have choices. We could expand the brackets and then multiply through by 2, okay? But we could also multiply through by 2 first, and then we don't have to expand the bracket. Now, in this scenario, multiplying 2 by 1/2 and multiplying 4/3 by 1/2 is actually going to simplify both of them. It's not going to cause us any extra fractions. So it doesn't really matter which way you choose on this one. If we want to multiply through by 2 first, which you might try, let's do that. 2 take away 4/3 y, take away 8y is equal to 4. I've still got the third though, so I'll multiply through by 3 now. So 6 take away 4y, take away 24y is equal to 12. Sorry. So 6 take away 28y is equal to 12. Take 6 from both sides. Divide through by minus 28. So y is equal to minus 6 over 28. So if we divide top and bottom by 2, we're going to get minus 3 over 14. Okay, so now we need to work out the x value. I'm going to have to substitute the first equation here. So x is equal to 2, take away 4/3 times minus 3/14. Okay. So let's write it here actually. So what have we got? We've got 2. Now you could do a bit of simplification with these two. I'm just going to multiply them through like I did in the previous video. So minus 4/3 times minus 3/14. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 14 is 42. Okay. So 12 over 42, well, both are divisible by 2, both are divisible by 3, so both are divisible by 6. So what's that? 2 plus 2 over 7. So 2 is 14/7. So 14/7 plus 2/7 is 16/7. So the x value is 16/7, and the y value is minus 3 over 14. Okay, and that's solving number 4.